To start Windows 11 in safe mode with networking, first you need to lock your Windows 11. Then on your keyboard, press and hold Shift key, then click on power icon, select restart. Restart anyways. Keep holding the Shift key until you see blue screen of Windows recovery environment. Once you'll have this screen, then release the Shift key. Here, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, select Startup Settings. Here you can see Startup Settings information. Simply click on Restart. Here you can see information, use number key or function keys from F1 to F9. So we need to press F5 on our keyboard. Alright, here you can see we have the network and we have the safe mode, and here you can see in all four corners it's showing safe mode. So that represents safe mode with networking. That's all for today. See you in the next video.